The title of today's video is Nature Doesn't Care What You Think. She has her own plan. That's coming up next. Okay, so not hard to see what's going on here. Interestingly enough, I was getting the itch. It was warm, it was like in the 50s. Lows were only in the 40s. This is gorgeous weather. In fact, over here in the food forest, my chives started growing. Like the other day I was down here checking the compost pile that I turned in my video on composting. I'll put a link up there for those of you who are interested in checking that out. But I was down looking around in the garden and holy cow, my chives are starting to grow, like actual green growth, which is now, of course, buried in snow. It is February 13th, and you can tell that we have gotten, about that much snow in the last, look at how thick that is. Put my hand next to it here so you guys can get a sense that it's not okay, I'm touching the edge of the bucket there. So, what is that? A solid 3 or 4 inches deep. Mid-February, Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I was starting to think like, oh, I should get some seeds started. This weather looks good. And then I checked the forecast and I was like, yeah, Punxsutawney Phil must have been right. Winter isn't over. And now here we are in Eastern Oregon dealing with this little Arctic vortex thing that is pushing down from the north. Big Pacific stream of moisture rolling in. Interstate 84 is closed down. Sections up around Portland, Oregon, they got snow and freezing rain out there. Like it looks like winter, because it still is, right? And that's my point in putting out this short video for you today. Be wary of getting too excited and thinking that it's time to go and that you can get in the garden and start growing when the weather's not done yet. And she may flip the script on you, and what you think is some nice, warm, early spring-ish type weather, and you can get going. Snowed in. Like, look at this. Like, it's nuts. I'll turn the camera around a little bit and shoot some of the garden beds and stuff for you guys, but it's a lot of snow, and it's still coming down, and it's supposed to snow all day long. So, yeah. Welcome winter, February 13th. Craziness. yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit nuts. That's a 2x10 down there, half buried. Of course, there was a little bit of drifting and blowing. So we got right now a solid 4 or 5 inches, and it's just gonna keep coming. So wherever you are, stay safe. As much as I like to say get outside, because you know life's better when it's lived outdoors, maybe today's a day for hot chocolate by the fire. If you're in the middle of this, stay safe. We'll see you next time.